Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss about the soft gelatin capsules. As we have covered in the earlier lecture, the hard gelatin capsules. So, as you know that the capsules are the solid dosage form which are to be used for the treatment of any ailment. Broadly, you can divide the capsules into two categories. One is the hard gelatin capsule, and the another one is the soft gelatin capsule. We'll discuss in detail about the soft gelatin capsules in today's lecture. The points which will be covered in today's lecture are the introduction, advantages, disadvantages, shapes of the capsules, this anatomy of the soft gelatin capsule, the nature of capsule shell, the nature of the capsule content, encapsulation plant layout, the manufacturing process of soft gelatin capsules, product quality consideration in process testing, finished product testing, VeggieCap soft capsules, and the benefits of the VeggieCap soft gelatin capsules. So coming to the soft gelatin capsule, how can you define this? The soft gelatin capsules can be defined as the one-piece hermetically sealed soft gelatin cells containing a liquid, a suspension, or a semi-solid. The nomenclature for this dosage form has now been changed to soft gel, and they have long been preferred dosage form for those taking health and nutrition supplements. The advantages of these soft gelatin capsules are: it is easy to administer. The soft gelatin capsules are easy to manufacture. The liquids can be encapsulated into it. The small to large sizes are possible with these soft gelatins. It has a good elegance, and it is easy to portability. Order and the test masking you can achieve by using using these soft gelatin capsules. It is readily available of drug, hence faster action can be achieved. The specialized dosage forms can be made, like chewable, extended release, cap tabs, etc. can be prepared of these soft gelatins. This can be used for ophthalmic preparations also, like applicaps, vaginal or rectal suppositories. Apart from that, advantages, certain disadvantages are also there. The water soluble material are difficult to incorporate. It is highly moisture sensitive. The efflorescent material can be incorporated. They may cause softening or the leaching of the drug. It is deliquescent material cannot be incorporated in this soft gelatins. They may cause hardening or brittle capsules. In the next slide, that you can see the various shapes of the capsules. You can have the rounds, oblongs, ovals, tubes, suppositories. Like this much shapes you can manufacture of soft gelatin capsules. You can see that this is the anatomy of a soft gelatin capsule. You can see here that outer part is known as the shell, which is gelatin water plasticizer. Colors and the flavors can be added into that. The soft gel surfaces can be printed on for easy identification. You can fill the oil solution or the suspensions, and the common suspending agents are like lecithin, soybean oil, or yellow wax are there. Likewise, this is the anatomy of the soft gelatins, which you can consider for your coming to the capsule shell. The capsule shell is basically composed of gelatin, a plasticizer, and water. It may contain additional ingredients such as preservatives, coloring and the opacifying agents, flavoring, sugars, acids, and medicaments to achieve desired effects. Gelatin mainly obtained from partial hydrolysis of collagen derived from the skin, connective tissues, and bones of animals. They may have viscosity of around 38 this CPS. The bloom strength should be 150 to 250, and the cost of the gelatin is dependent on the bloom strength of that shell. The capsule shell, as we discussed in the previous slide, the water content should not more than 45% weight by weight. The ratio by weight of the water to dry gelatin can vary from 0.7 to 1.3 to 1 the dry gelatin, that is depending on the viscosity of the gelatin being used. The plasticizers can be used to make the soft gelatin cell elastic and the pliable. The ratio used is in between 0.3 to 1.8 for soft to hard cells on dry basis. For this plasticizers, you can have the examples of glycerin and the sorbitol. Colors used in the shell has to be darker than color of the encapsulating material. This is the prerequisite, so that easily it can be identified. The colors may be natural or the synthetic. The opacifier, usually titanium dioxide, may be added to the product to produce an opaque shell. When the filling formulation is a suspension or to prevent photo degradation of the light sensitive drugs are there in that condition, that the concentration of the opacifier may be up to the 0.5%. Apart from that, chelating agents can also be added into these soft gelatin capsules. The iron is always present in raw gelatin and should not contain iron more than 15 ppm. Additionally, the chelating agent may be used for preventing the reaction of iron with material or the colors. You can have this typical formula for gelatin sheet, that you can see here, that glycerin, the propyl methylparabens, gelatin, the brilliant blue color, that Ponesi4R, mean to say that these are the various ingredients which are being used in the manufacturing of the soft gelatin capsule. If you exclude glycerin, the similar contents are being used in the hard gelatin capsules also. The titanium dioxide is there, the water and the sorbitol. So this is a typical formula for soft gelatin capsule. Now coming to the manufacturing of the gelatin mass, you can manufacture the gelatin by the following method. The gel, which is prepared in a 300 liter stainless steel vessel. This is for the commercial use. I am taking the processor for that one. And the gelatin powder is mixed with water and the glycerin. Then it is heated and stirred. Then the molten gelatin mass is formed. It is decanted into the 200 kg mobile vessel for the transportation of this material. The turbine mixing can be done after that, and where colors and the flavors can be added into it. And then it is to ensure that the consistency of the gelatin mass is as per your standards, and then this mass is kept at the constant temperature until it is needed for the next stage of the process. So this is the process which you can follow for the manufacturing of the shells of soft gelatin. The capsule content may be liquid or a combination of miscible liquids. A solution of a solid in a liquid, a solid in a liquid, or a suspension of a solid in a liquid. It can be a liquid like a volatile oil composition, like you can have the example of Pudin Hara soft gelatin capsules are available. You can easily see that. And the vegetable oils like arachis oil or aromatic or aliphatic hydrocarbons, ethers, esters, or the alcohols can be used. The solids that are not sufficiently soluble in the liquids or in combination of liquids are capsulated as suspension. The suspending agents used are lecithin, soybean oil, and the yellow wax. Here you can see that the layout of an encapsulating plant, broadly that the various sections are depicted in this diagram. Laboratory, you can see that The air conditioning plant is to the left side of this one, and you can see the various areas: quarantine area, raw material storage area, the material weighing area, the fill material preparation area, or you can say that preparation room. The capsule based preparation, it is on that opposite side of that. The encapsulation, then the drying section, the inspection section, the packaging section, and the finished product storage section. Now coming to the manufacturing process of the soft gelatins, the gel and fill mobile vessels are then taken to the encapsulation base, where each encapsulation machine is segregated in individual bays. The molten gel is pumped to the machine, then two thin ribbons of gel are formed, one either side of the machine. Ribbons then pass over a series of rollers and over a set of dies that determines the size and shape of the capsules. It is the rotary die encapsulating machine is there. You can see this. The slide is showing that how the encapsulation takes place, the mechanism of the encapsulation. You can see this picture, that filling material and the wedge on the one side. The gel ribbons are there. Die is rotating, die roll is there, and then you can see that this is when the die is rolled, capsules are coming out. The waste gelatin is coming out through another this one, and those when this soft gelatin manufactured, it is coming out like that. You can see that two inlets are there, filling material and the wedges of that one. That this solution, that filling material is being feed it, and it is when dies are rolled, it manufactures the soft gelatin capsule. The encapsulation for this purpose, that you can use the tumble drying. That is, the dry straw layer is forced across the tumbler and removes the moisture from the outer surface of the capsule. Another is that supplemental drying, curing is required, means that is the hardening of that soft gelatin capsules to give the strength. After the tumbler dries, the soft gelatin capsules are placed on a special trays for final drying in the drying room for a period of up to 48 hours. Then sizing of those capsules were done. Automatic capsule sizing machine eliminates undersized and oversized capsules. Then inspection table is there, and you have to keep your eyes, those who are engaged in that duty. That includes visual inspection to check malformed, damaged, or the improperly filled capsules. And finally, it goes for the packaging. The capsules may be packaged in glass or plastic containers, or may be strip packaged, so long as such packaging involves tight closures and plastic having a low moisture vapor transfer rate. Product quality considerations. The ingredients specifications. All ingredients of a soft gel are controlled and tested to ensure compliance with pharmacopoeia specifications. For example, the impurities such as the aldehydes and the peroxides, which may be present in polyethylene glycols. The presence of high levels of these impurities gives rise to cross-linking of the gelatin polymer, the leading to insolubilization through further polymerization is required. Coming to the in-process testing of these soft gelatin capsules, during the encapsulation process, the four most important tests are required. The gel ribbon thickness, you have to check. The soft gelatin seal thickness at the time of the encapsulation, the filling matrix weight and capsule shell weight, soft gelatin shell moisture level, and soft gelatin hardness at the end of the drying stage. This testing you have to perform during the in-process. Now talking about the finished product testing, which is normally include the capsule appearance, active ingredient assay and the related substance assay, filling weight, content uniformity, and the microbiological testing. These tests are to be performed, and for this will give you the final shape to your soft gelatin capsule. The veggie caps are also known as the veggie caps soft gelatin capsules are available. Veggie caps soft capsules are an alternative animal-free capsule. The shell is made from the seaweed extract and the gluten-free starch and contains no modified sugars or the artificial ingredients. These cells can be clear or colored, and there is a wide range of shape, size, and the colors available. An alternative to gelatin for those who prefer an animal-free product. Those with a level of the concern about animal-derived products, it is vegetarian for the vegetarians, you can say, and those with religious or the cultural restrictions, it is preferred. The consumers looking for the most natural alternatives, it's the veggie caps. Benefit of veggie caps soft gelatin capsule. It is free of all animal derivatives, no pork or the beef content is there. It is easy to swallow, it is soft, it is natural, it is the perception of a healthier product. It gives the perception of a healthier product. It is plant-based cells are used and low shell odor. So all these have the benefits of veggie caps soft gelatin capsule. Here is the example of soft gelatin capsules. You can have the example of Neoral. It is the soft gelatin capsules being manufactured by the Novartis in India, which contains cyclosporine capsules. Another example of this progesterone soft gelatin capsules, which is being manufactured by the Cipla. These are a few examples, and the details about the quality control test will cover in the next lecture. Thank you.